Guys, there is a little bit of indecision on the market as BTC is still hovering around the 87 and $86,000. So, are we going to see a breakout before the week runs out, or we are going to see a price revisit $80,000 coming close to the weekend? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this video. So do make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for your boy, because I always drop crypto price update every single day for you guys. Do make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. Now, looking at BTC, we can see that yesterday's candlestick closed kind of bearish, but we did not engulf the previous day. We did not close below the low at $85,000, which was the previous day candlestick. And today we are kind of same price, just within that range of around $87,000. But now, if possibly we see today's candlestick close bearish engulfing yesterday's candlestick, guys, I think we would likely revisit around $80,000. So I often said on my previous analysis that when I did BTC that if we fail to break above this trend, yellow trend over here, then we might revisit the $80,000, because our price tapped on this important support level, although our stochastic RSI is heading its way to the upside. But looking at the normal RSI, if we would like to flip bullish, we need some kind of chart analysis or some price action indicating that we are definitely going to flip bullish. Now, on my guess that if we kind of revisit $80,000, then what will happen for the RSI is that we might see the RSI kind of print a lower high. Then once we print a lower high and we price revisit $80,000, giving us an equal low or a lower low, then we would mark that as a bullish divergence for another continuation to the upside or another reversal. So that is what I'm currently predicting for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. If we see price drop to 87 over below $79,000, then I'm looking forward for price to create a bullish divergence before we have a reversal. So I'll be sharing this that trade on my free Telegram community in case price gives us that type of price action. So let's quickly hop down to the lower time frame. Let's see some price action, what price is giving us. Although I entered a short trade yesterday, I got stopped out on my previous BTC short. Then I still entered another short trade because price was giving me kind of a selling momentum. So I entered another short trade. But before I take you guys to the short trade, let's just see what price is doing on the 1 hour. As you can see that price is clearly creating an head and shoulder pattern, or price has already formed an head and shoulder pattern. This is the first shoulder, this is the head, and this is the second shoulder. Now I'm looking forward for price to break below so that we could revisit the lower levels. That I think this might happen, because if we fail to see a break above these highs at a 89 150, then we could possibly see a break below, because price has gave us this chart pattern indicating that there might be a reversal. Because you see that currently we are in a range at this place, and BTC is currently struggling to actually break above this level. But if we see a break above 89, then we could break this trend and we head over to $95,000. So that's what I think for BTC at the moment now. But if we see a break below these lower levels at $85,000, then definitely we might revisit the this $80,000 level, and I think price might definitely come back to this level. I'll be looking forward to take a long position on this level if price give us the lower low. So that is what I think at the moment. But right now we are just facing a little bit of indecision. The bulls are not driving price, the bears are not driving price. There is kind of there needs to be a push towards either direction. Is either the bears could overpower the bulls, then we'll see a lower prices, or the bulls could overpower the bears and we could see higher price. So let me quickly show you guys the trade I'm still on. It's still running, but we're in a little bit of profit. So let me show you guys BTC USDT. This trade I entered yesterday. That was when I entered the trade, but regardless, I'm still holding this trade regardless of the momentum on the market, because price is not really giving us the move that we want to see. Now, this was the previous trade, the previous short trade I entered around this place during the weekend. I got stopped out because I saw that price was moving forward to this my second area of interest, which comes in line with this with this breakout block. You see that when price was around this level right here, we broke below this level, and right now this level is now acting as resistance. You can see that we just filled this imbalance, this fair value gap behind it, and price is already having its way to the downside. We could break out of this highs at 87 regardless, but if we break out, I'll be looking forward to flip my thesis from bearish to bullish. Then I'll be looking forward to go on a long position. But for right now, my thesis now is still to the downside, because I think price might get down to the lower level. So I'm still holding this trade. Eventually, before today or before the weekend, maybe we could see a drop towards $80,000 for us to take profit, because these levels serve as a realistic take profit level. I don't want to go too way much to the downside, because price might just drop then reverse to the upside, because we are at a critical line of support on BTC, even on the weekly time frame. So that's what I'm looking at on BTC. So that is it for this video, guys. Do not forget to like and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video. Peace.